Hi, my name is Muhammad Nasir Aziz and I am a financial journalist at Value Spectrum. What is Value Spectrum? Value Spectrum is a financial platform where you can get financial information about the top stocks from USA and the Europe region. Here you can see Mr. Ron Cook, the CEO at Value Spectrum, and his brief introduction. Here you can see last news, sector news, stocks news, top screeners. By scrolling down you can see top stocks, model portfolios, top cap. The financial analyst team at Value Spectrum analyze and research on different financial securities according to needs and requirements of the customers. Now let us move towards prices. By clicking on prices, we will add prices of the different stocks from USA and the Europe regions. Here you can see USA companies, USA tech companies like Adobe, Akamai, Alibaba, Alphabet, Amazon. By scrolling down you can see a long list of USA technology companies like eBay. You can see eBay, Expedia, Citrix, CA. Now by clicking here you can see different Europe regions companies. By selecting Euronext Amsterdam, you can see Amsterdam top companies. You can also select Euronext Brussels for the Brussels top companies. You can select Euronext Lisbon. By scrolling down you can see many countries like Germany, Austria, Finland, London, Italy. You can select any country according to your choice, but I want to stay on USA. By clicking here you can see US tech, US large caps, US broad. US large caps are companies with business worth more than $10 billion. I will like to select US large caps here. By selecting US large caps you can see USA large cap companies: 3M, American Express, Apple, Boeing, Caterpillar, Chevron. By scrolling down you can see many companies from USA: IBM, Intel, Home Depot, Coca-Cola. Now I will like to select Citigroup. You can see here the current price of the Citigroup is at $72. The maximum price of the Citigroup was $80, and the minimum price of the Citigroup was $65. I will show you more information about Citigroup. By clicking here you can see a graphical stock price of the Citigroup. Here you can see last price of Citigroup, maximum price, minimum price, 1 year return. That's basically you can see graph stock price for 1 week, that starts from October 3rd 2018 to at $72 and ends at October 3rd 2018, $72. You can also see 1 month stock report, 1 year stock report, 3 year, 5 year, 10 year. I will like to show you 1 year stock report on Citigroup. So this is the last 12-month stock report on Citigroup that starts from October 10, 2017, when the stock price was $75. Then you can see many ups and downs in the stock price of the Citigroup shares. The highest price was in Jan 26, 2018 at $80. Here you can see the highest price of the Citigroup stock. Then the graph ends at October 9, 2018, when the price was $71. So you can see a lot of fluctuations in the stock price of the Citigroup. There are many ups and lows and downs. Analysts are expecting that there will in the near future an increase in the dividend. Citi capital plan has been approved, and dividend will rise. So expected increase in the prices of oil and gas is also an indicator for the increase of the stock price of Citigroup. Now let us move towards the annual reports. Here you can see annual reports. By clicking on annual reports, we will add the place of annual reports. Here you can see annual reports of Citigroup that starts from 2010 to 2017. Here you can by clicking on PDF, you can download any year annual report about Citigroup. Now let us move towards the results. I want to show you the Citigroup revenues, costs and profits. Revenues, cost and profits of Citigroup starts from 2010 and ends at 2017. You can see here. Uh, you can see that the maximum profit of the Citigroup was in the year 2015, 16,249, and the second best figure you can see in the year 2016. These were two consecutive year. You can see the second best figure in the year 2016, 30,640. The last year was a negative year in profits. Yeah, as you can see, 7,454, a negative figure for the Citigroup. But now the analysts are expecting that the stock price will increase due to the expected increase in the oil and gas prices, and the Citi capital plan has been approved, and it will surely pay high dividends to its shareholders in the near future. Now let's move towards the details of Citigroup company. Citigroup, you can see here the start price of the stock in the year 2009 was $67, and the start price of the stock in the year 2016 was $51. Here you can see earning per share in the start was negative, and then you can see a decrease, increase in the earning per share in the 2010, 2011, 2012, and you can see earning per share in the 2016. It means that on each share, each shareholder is getting $4. Here you can see price earning ratio. It was negative in the 2009, and then you can see increase in the price earning ratio. In there you can see price earning ratio is at 12.94. It's mean that the stock price is still undervalued, and there is no positive growth trend in the stock in the near future. So Citigroup is not paying any kind of dividend to its shareholders. You can see it is zero in all years. Dividend percentage is also zero, and payout is also zero. Thank you very much.